is nostalgic. Think about when you met your love for the first time. If it's possible, this would be a great setting to go back and have a date. But if that's not a possibility on your wedding anniversary, you can always try to find a souvenir that will bring back all of those good memories. If at all possible, go back to where you had that first date, or where you got married, or even where you had your honeymoon or early vacations. Those are the special places that will bring back amazing memories that you will not be able to bring to the surface any other way. There's just something special about visiting where you first fell in love. Another way to make your wedding anniversary gift memorable and enjoyable is to get new rings. You can make this as fun as you like by surprising your spouse similar to when you first proposed. Or you can shop together to make sure that you are on the same page about what you want. This also helps you to have matching rings if that's something that's important to you. Related resource 3: affordable oval cut diamond engagement rings. Don't just buy the ring even if you surprise your spouse. Make this into an event. Combine buying the rings with traveling to where you first met and renewing your vows, for example, to have the ultimate experience. My wife and I absolutely loved our rings from brilliantarth.com. We think you will definitely like what you find there. You don't have to be shopping for an engagement ring to find something that you will love for an anniversary gift. Finally, a way to celebrate your wedding anniversary with style and grace is to take new professional photos with your loved one. The beauty of new photos is that these photos will be specially taken to celebrate and revisit your wedding day. Of course, to celebrate a wedding anniversary, you can get as fancy as possible because this is truly a reason to pull out all the stops. An alternative to a fresh photo shoot is to send your spouse a tribute. Use our partner at tribute.co to send a special greeting to your spouse. Breathlessresorts.com, http://breathlessresorts.com. Properties are always an excellent getaway choice. My wife and I enjoyed using Shoot for our photos. With shootshoot.com, you can find a local photographer to meet your schedule at an affordable price. There are also great locations to choose from that are known to photograph well. There are many more ideas to consider when it comes to choosing a wedding anniversary gift. Choosing the perfect anniversary gifts may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't need to be. Here are some additional ideas to help you narrow down your search. A massage. Dinner at a restaurant. Flowers are a common traditional theme, ideal gift. Fashion jewelry like lapis lazuli, blue sapphire, Bombay sapphire, blue topaz, etc. The best part about having so many options is that you can pick and choose which ones work best for your relationship. For instance, if you're looking for a unique anniversary gift idea, then a trip to a spa or a salon might be perfect. However, if you're looking to give your spouse a more practical gift, then a night away at a hotel might be better. It's up to you to decide which option works best for your relationship. If you'd rather not spend money on a wedding anniversary gift, then you could opt to do something different instead. Perhaps you could plan a date night in your own home. It's true that every anniversary as a married couple is a special occasion, and as you probably already know, most years are also associated with unique ideas with traditional and modern themes. When it comes to wedding anniversary gifts, what does each year have to offer? Each anniversary year symbolizes a significant milestone in your marriage. As such, there are certain things that you should keep in mind when planning your anniversary gift. You'll want to make sure that your anniversary gift matches the theme of the year. For example, if you've been together for 10 years, then you'll want to think about giving a gift that represents those 10 years. You could go with a bouquet of flowers, a bottle of wine, or even a special meal. If you've only been married for a year or two, then you could opt for something that is symbolic of a year of togetherness. For example, this would include items such as a small piece of paper anniversary card, jewelry, a framed photo, or a nice pen set. Silver has historically been the traditional material for the 25th anniversary, and it's becoming increasingly precious. Similarly, your 10th anniversary, 20th anniversary, or 50th anniversary may be major milestone anniversaries marked by fitting modern anniversary gifts.